Going to build a video really quick on how to do a layout. Now, I'm in Bluebeam right now. You probably can't see what exactly I'm doing, but I'm just grabbing a line right here, and I am going to explain kind of how I would lay this job out to where everything is square and good to each other. So right here, let me just draw this real quick. You can probably just see it. This is edge of concrete. Um, This over here is edge of concrete, like all of this, right? So, let me get rid of that. This is what we're going to do. The way I would do this is I would take a measurement from the widest, like the area that's the most open. So, I would add up. Man, I'm going to have to do a lot of editing on this, I think, but I would add up all these measurements right here, which these come to 36 foot 10 inches from edge of concrete to center of this pad. And the reason I would do that is because if you look from here all the way through here is open. This is just one big pad of concrete. And this is up on another pad. This has got like a housekeeping pad on it. This has got a housekeeping pad. And so I'm looking for like the flattest, most open spot that I can get to, right? So, that being said, I would take a measurement from right up here and I would go out 36 foot 10 inches. If I can get to it. Let's see here. Well, you guys get the idea, right? So 36 foot 10 inches. Come on, baby. Dang, that was so close. All right, whatever. So that's 36 foot 10 inches. Forget the quarter inch, but from pad to mark, 36 foot 10 inches. Then I would come over here and I would do the same thing, 36 foot 10 inches, right? At that point, I would take a line. Let me get this line kind of built up for you so you can see it. And I would snap a line from here all the way through to here. Now we know that this line is 36 foot 10 inches. Everything coming back, all your measurements from here on forward need to be pulled from this line only. This line only. The other thing as I would do is like right through here, we need to figure out how to build a center line that's running this other direction as well. So, I would just start doing your math. I would get to probably this right here. Let's see. Let me find a good center line. These are all got housekeeping pads under them, so you know you can't really do it off of that. Sometimes I would just snap a line even. I would just pull square off of this corner of this pad out into the open and just say, okay, we are, 39 foot half inch. Then I'd come over here, I'd pull 39 1/2 inch. Okay, there we go. Okay, take you a freaking string line, and from here, you're going to run it all the way across to here. Now, essentially, what you've done is you created a square. It's all square. Everything is square. You're going to pull measurements from here to the center of your equipment and from here to the center of your equipment. So that would look like, let me pull a measurement from here. So this isn't correct. This is all stuff you need to do. But you would come here and you'd say, okay, we're 15 foot 5 inches from here off of this line. So you would take a mark from here, 15 foot 5 inches, and from here, 15 foot 5 inches. Right? Then you snap a line. Clear through it. Okay? Now we know that this line is square to this line. And it's going to be the same thing coming from this one. You're going to come from here. Going to line your stuff up. 14 foot 10. Going to come back here. 14 foot 10. Right there. Make your marks. Snap a line clean through it. All right. Everything you do, no matter if you come over here, you're going to pull your measurement from here, from this line, all the way to here. And you're going to make sure that everything you're snapping is coming from this line or this line. This is going to allow all your equipment to set square and straight. And it's very important to do it that way. Now, you can see from here, there's no measurement between here and these tanks, right? Everything's getting pulled from this other side of the pad. What I would do is I would pull a measurement from this pad over to this line. Okay? We know we're 75 foot 2 inches. Then what I would do, let me get rid of that so you can actually see what I'm doing. So 75 foot 2 inches. Let me write that down. I would add up all of these measurements, right? This one, I'd add up this one, and this one. Okay, so let me add all that up. Nine foot, 10-inch, 1/8 plus 14 foot, 9-inch, 1/8 plus 14 foot, 9-inch, 1/8 plus 14 foot, 9-inch, 1/8. Right? So we're at 54 feet, 1½ inches. That is the total of this. So we know that this thing is 75 foot 2 inches, right? Because that's what we had last time. 75 foot 2 inches right here. Well, if I could get this thing to be accurate, I'd be all right. So 75 foot 2 inches. 1 foot 2 inches minus 54 foot 1 inch 1/2. So we have 21 feet 1/2 inch from here having a hard time getting this thing to be accurate. But 21 foot 1/2 inch. So from this line, I would measure over to this center. Now at that point, you can do your math, and it's just, okay, we're 21 foot 1/2 inch from there. Then we're plus 14 foot 9-inch 1/8. 35 foot from here to 35 foot 9 5/8 inches, right? I'm doing my best here. And everything you do, you're going to pull from this line over, and that's going to line these tanks up perfectly to this one snapped line. The problem is if you guys go from 21 foot 3/4 inches, mark, and then you go from here, 14 foot 9 1/8, who knows if you're a 1/2 inch, big, long, if your tape's messed up, if you always come off of one line, your stuff is going to square up so much better. It's just like leveling fab. Let me see if I can. But anyway, so I hope that makes sense. Snap 2. Hang on, let me see if I can just go back and get rid of and get back to my regular snapped lines here. Oops. I gotta go forward. Go forward. How do I go forward? Dang it. Messed up. So let's see. Let's re-snap this line. That's going to go from here. all the way to there. Remember, we just took a measurement out into the open. We're 39.5. We snapped it across. It's all on flat concrete. And now we have our two main lines that we can pull our measurements from. This is very important. This is how you make sure your stuff is square and right. So it's a little bit of math to get everything pulled to where it needs to be, but in the end, it is a lot more accurate, and it's a lot better way of doing it than going, okay, from here we're 21 foot half inch, then we're 14 foot 9 1/8, then we're 14 foot 9 1/8, and as you pull all of this, it's either growing or shrinking or something's going on. Where if you just always pull from one spot, you're constant, you're way more accurate. And if this thing is squared up to your pad, everything is square. So, anyways, guys, that's the video for today. Hopefully that helps some guys out, and we should be able to square this stuff up pretty good. So, on to the next one.